So it looks good, Justin. Watch straight away.
Alright, still waiting on check for check short courses, Justin Norman.
Lossy Trout looks pretty good. Uh-oh.
I like it.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
I give him 2 laps before he catches up.
You got a challenge.
Yeah.
All right, driver's ready. Marshall's ready. And we're going race. And at the sound of the turn. And we're off for the 2-wheel modified short course 8-minute event. Dave Martin put the move. Going for third to first. After turn 2, get the wrong end for double-double. Your leader, first half by, is going to be Jason, followed by Justin, Dave, Chandler, and Chris. Woo!
Calm down, Bill. There you go. There you go. All right, just hang with him. Y'all 2 pull away.
With 2 down and 4 to go, Chris Brown has made his way to the lead. He's coming up to lap Chandler. Chandler, that is your leader behind you. You know, all pink truck with the blue wheels. He falls closer, only 1 second back by Justin Norman in that yellow and green truck. Coming through the double-double now. Gabe sits third, he's not far back. Getting into 3. Oh, tries to help Chandler out. Doesn't quite get it. But here they come, 1, 2, and 3. Through the double-double now. Chris Brown, Justin Norman, and Gabe Martin. That time by Chris with the 16.6, Justin 17.1, Gabe 16.5, Jason 17.2, and Chandler with a 19.6. I need 2-wheel mod truck, main number 7. Get them ready. Luis, Bill, Dennis, Emma, Chris, Justin, Enos, AJ, and my 2 bolts. Get them ready. $3.50 down, $2.45 to go. Chris Brown's clear leader. 16.8, Justin with a 17.2, Gabe with a 21.3, Jason with a 20.6, and Chandler with a 21.5. Oh, looks like Chris might have got it wrong there, 1 and 2. Him and Justin battling out now. For the number 1 spot in the double-double. Brown retakes the lead. Justin right there to capitalize on any mistake. Here we come now on Jason. Jason, that is second place coming up on you here in just a second.
I don't like that shortcut, it doesn't work.
Gabe Martin rolls it over. Coming through the final corner. Your gap between your leaders is 3 seconds. Chris Brown in the lead with a 15.8 last time by. 1 minute 40 seconds remaining. With 1 minute remaining, Chris Brown still in at 63 last time by. Here he comes on the step down. All pink truck with the blue wheels. Coming through the double-double now. Justin and Jason having a battle. 1 lap apart. Coming through the switchbacks now. Onto the front straightaway. Justin Norman in second. Gabe Martin in third. Here he comes through the final corner and across the line. Gabe with a 16.5 to Justin 17.6. However, there's 6.5 seconds between the two with 30 seconds remaining. Good marshal there, Justin. Racing to the line.
Oh, dear.
Chris Brown takes it. 16.3 on his last lap, fast lap with a 15.8. 21.605. Here comes the battle for second. Looks like Justin's just going to hold off Gabe. Chris Brown takes the win. Justin Norman second. Gabe Martin round out your podium. What do you think, guys? Shut him down. Get back out to Marshall.